Good morning, friends. So, what I'm going to show you today, how you can merge two faces into one. So, let's get started. So, before merging the two faces in one, what you have to do, you have to be careful that what type of photo you are collecting. Whatever photo you are collecting, either from internet or from real, the photo should be clear. Okay, like this. Face should be like this, not like this, not like this. It will not work. Okay, if you collected this type of photo, it will not work. Simple as that. And the photo size should be the same. In fact, I'm not saying that photo size should be the same. It will be good that if the photo size will be same, like 16 by 9 or 4 by 3, it should be the same in size. Okay, so let's bring this photo. By the way, I'm Tubal Bose from Rupnaryanpur. If you have any query on After Effects, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or web development and design, you can contact me. I'm gonna provide you the instruction how you can build all those things or do all those things. Okay, so first you have to select a new layer, a new profile from here. Like you have to pick a new layer. Okay, new background. Okay, new background you have to pick from here. The width should be 1920 and height should be 1080. Okay, and then what you have to do is ping these two photo and paste in here. Place embedded and then blackman photo first, blackman photo, and then it would be the white man photo. See my photo, how the man is actually looking at the camera. Okay, this type of photo will work perfectly. Then again I'll place embedded. Now what will happen? Two photo side by side you can see in my layer panel, and my background size, like I said previously, it was 1920 into 1080. So what gonna happen is, first I have to check whether the size of these two photos are same or not. Okay, it's look like the case size is almost the same. I don't need to do anything. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is going to press going to select add layer mask. Okay, add layer mask has already selected. Now I have to check whether the background color here is black and the foreground color should be white. Otherwise this thing will not work. So what I have to do is going to pick a brush tool from here. Okay, and the background and foreground color should be black and white. You must have to be careful on that. Okay, so and I have to, now what I have to do is increase the size of the brush. Okay, now you see the magic, how it work. If you wish to change entire photo, then you can change entire, you can mask entire photo, but I'm not gonna do that. It will look odd. I'm gonna slightly change this photo, his face. Okay, now it's look perfect. Okay, now it's so perfect. I'm not gonna paint anything others. Now I have to remove the other part. I mean, you can see that as I merge the two guy in one, as some part there you can see visible. Now I have to paint the entire here. Let's see what will happen. Okay. So this is how the photo look like from here. Thanks for watching.